So in total, drum roll, for an entire month living in Croatia, I've spent. Welcome to Croatia. I'm actually so excited for this because I don't know what the exact number is. So we're finding out together. While the financial advisor sends over the file, let me give you a little tour of where we're actually staying so you know what's going into the amount, because of course I'm going to tell you exactly how much we paid for this Airbnb, but you have to see what it's all about. So let's start from the beginning. Welcome to Croatia. These are the staircases which we go up through each day. Literally, I'm not even joking. You need to be fit to be living here. And my booty is thanking me for these stairs that we go up and down like 5 times a day. It's wild, but it's worth it. Let me turn around and give you the full glimpse. So this is a little bit of the background part. Not the background, I mean backyard part. And then we move these chairs out here to the front because the sun just hits amazing over here. But this is technically the door. And hold on, did you see this view? It's insane. I mean, when I got here, I was literally like, what is life? But anyways, you come on over, knock, knock, knock. It's actually open. So you come in here, it's pretty wide open and huge. And you'll know why in just a little, but we do have the full dining room here. This chair is actually a lot better to work in, so I swapped it out. We have the full thing here, bathrooms over there, which I'll show you in a sec. And then here we have the living room, my little yoga mat where I do my workouts. And this is probably my favorite part ever, just the view. Look at this patio area. So that's where we came in towards. It's literally so peaceful. And I know you guys saw, but right there in the back is the sea, less than 5 minutes away from the ocean. So you come on over here. How much do you think? Start guessing. I want to know in the comments, start guessing how much you think we're paying. So this is room number 1. This is hello. Our friend actually stayed with us for a couple of weeks. That's why we got a way bigger place. And this is her room with a beautiful view out here. And then there's actually an extra room over there in the back, which no one used. It's definitely the biggest Airbnb that we've stayed at. So start guessing. I want to know what you guys think we paid. And we're about to dive into the real numbers because financial advisor over here just let me know that the file is ready and we have received it. So let's open it up. Got the file. Let's see what we have. The moment of truth. As I mentioned, I have not looked at these numbers. And if I'm 100% honest, I haven't looked at the exact numbers for any of the places we've been at. And it's already been more than a year of full-time traveling. So this is actually a pretty exciting moment. Of course, I know what the average over the top is because I do finance time every single month. But like down to the dollar in how I want to share it to you, because I literally want to go into categories. I've never done that. So I'm very excited to see this with you. So we have the file right here. Everything is sorted and we do have the exact dates that we've been here. So we did arrive on the 11th of September. I did put until today, but you guys know that some things take time posting up on the credit card. So it seems like it showed until the 4th, but as you can see, the length is pretty accurate. So we have all the charges here. And if we scroll all the way down, we have a total of $1,439.32. But it doesn't stop just there because of course there's a lot more things to consider. And I'm sure you're like me and you're wondering like, okay, but where does that number come from? Like how much did you spend on each thing? Does that mean that you spent $1,400 on food? What does that mean? So I got you. I created a little pivot table because you guys know that I'm a little bit of an Excel nerd. So we have our little table here, $1,439.32. So for dining, we have $583.31. Entertainment, I think this is like the movies and I don't know what else is counted here, $96.35. Gas and automotive, we did rent a car for 1 or 2 days. I think it was over a weekend and we did a little road trip while my friend was here. Healthcare, $11.90. This doesn't mean that we're paying healthcare here. It just means the pharmacy. That's what it got categorized under. Merchandise, you'll have to stick around to find out what that is, $468.70. And then other travel, $207.74. So here it is. Of course, I'm going to show you what each of the other things are. So I did go in and look because I was like, okay, what do these things mean? But healthcare is that the pharmacy charge. Merchandise is actually our groceries. So almost a month in Croatia, groceries have been $468.70. And then other travel I found out was Ubers and transportation. So anytime we've taken the bus, which has been really, really cool here because we're not staying in the center of Split, but actually down east, I think it would be, or west, this way, in a little beach town. It's been absolutely beautiful. And if I had to do it again, I would definitely come back and stay here or in this beautiful town that I found further this way, east, west, I'll find out. And it's called Omis. It's another beach town. It's a bit more walkable than where we are right now. And I would definitely stay there versus Split, just because me personally, I'm more into like the beach part than the actual like old town. So we are missing things here. Of course, you might be wondering like, hello, the Airbnb charge isn't there. Like, is that all? In gas and automotive, for example, it's $71 is only the gas because the car charge was actually on my friend's card. So we need to add those things up. So let's go back here and let's add. So the car rental, let's do that under gas and automotive. That was about $45 for one day, I'm pretty sure it was. Then what else do we have to add? There might be like a couple other things, but I know there was like 3 big things that I wanted to add into the sum.
The boat rental.
The boat rental, good one. So we did do a boat rental and that was definitely entertainment. And that was about $600 if I'm not mistaken. And then, oh, duh, hello, the Airbnb. So Airbnb, drum roll. Let's put this one under lodging. And that was a total of $2,000. So in total, we have $4,084.32. And if you're like me and you want to see it actually all on a little table to know where everything is coming from. So that is the total for 1 month living here in Croatia. And now I'm actually super intrigued to know because I've spent 3 months in Thailand, 1 month in Lisbon, 2 months in Spain, 3 months in Mexico, now 1 month in Croatia. And we do have 2 more destinations. Like, I really want to know what the full number is for a full year of traveling full time. So if you're intrigued like me, we should look at the numbers together. Comment entire year if you want me to do that full video breaking down the cost, because that actually sounds like super interesting. I actually really want to find out now what the full year has been. And with that, I can't believe that this month is almost coming to an end. Croatia has been beyond stunning, 10,000 times worth the price. Like, yes, I would do it all over again. I already want to come back. There's something about the ocean here that me as an ocean girl, it just clicks. And of course, I've been saving my favorite spots as always. I put it up on Instagram as like a little travel guide, but I also have the Google Maps with every little spot that I like marked down. So if you want that Google Maps link, just message me on Instagram, Croatia Spots, and I'll send it over to you. And let me know, take a guess where you think I'm headed next, and I'll see you next week right here on this same channel.